What motivates you to excel in your work?
One of the key factors that motivates me to excel in my work is the desire for personal growth and continuous improvement. I find immense satisfaction in challenging myself and pushing beyond my comfort zone to achieve new levels of excellence. I believe that every task or project presents an opportunity for learning and development. When I see the potential for growth and improvement, it ignites a fire within me to strive for greatness. I set high standards for myself and take pride in delivering work of the highest quality. Another source of motivation for me is the sense of accomplishment that comes from making a positive impact. Knowing that my contributions can make a difference, whether it's helping clients achieve their goals or improving internal processes, drives me to go the extra mile. The feeling of knowing that I've made a meaningful difference is truly rewarding and keeps me motivated to excel in my work. Additionally, I find inspiration in the support and recognition from my colleagues and mentors. When I receive positive feedback or acknowledgement for my efforts, it reinforces my belief in my abilities and fuels my drive to achieve even more. Ultimately, my motivation to excel in my work stems from a deep passion for what I do. I genuinely enjoy the work I do, and this passion fuels my determination to continuously strive for excellence.
The end.
Hello, friends. If you're still watching this video, then you have definitely set your sights on learning English. I assure you that by subscribing to our channel and watching our daily videos, you'll become a fluent English speaker in no time. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with a wide range of conversations, from everyday situations at home to job interviews. All it takes is a little support and hard work. As the saying goes, the more you practice, the better you get. So let's embark on your English learning journey together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for investing your valuable time with us. We're excited to help you achieve your English fluency goals.